The statistics is playing a crucial role in achieving the goals defined by the UN's 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development. Under the motto of the World Statistics Day 2020, Connecting the World with Data We Can Trust, let's see how the statisticians at King Abdullah University of Science and Technology, KAUST, are using data to understand global problems and improve the quality of people's lives. Professor Zheng Tan has led a 5-year study on the wind energy potential in Saudi Arabia that resulted in a comprehensive blueprint for progressing the kingdom's national wind energy strategy, including a plan for a cost-effective implementation of the government's wind energy target of 16 gigawatts of installed capacity by 2030. Professor Om Bao and his colleagues use their expertise to dig deeper into the features of electroencephalography to detect abnormalities in brain regions before a seizure can take place. Similar tools are being developed to study the impact of shocks to the brain and on the communication network between different brain regions and nerve cell populations. Professor Ru and his researcher collaborators have developed a new Bayesian spatiotemporal statistical model for predicting out-of-hospital cardiac arrests. This model can estimate and exploit the integrated nested Laplace approximation (INLA) methodology, a methodology which is implemented in the renowned R-INLA package and provides valid answers within few seconds, instead of the huge computational efforts of more traditional techniques. Professor Bolin and his research collaborators have proposed a new spatial independent component analysis (ICA) model to provide reliable estimates of functional brain networks based on fMRI data. The new model produces estimates that are more accurate and reliable than benchmark approaches, and it also identifies larger and more reliable areas of engagement. Professor Suwen's research group have recently developed a real-time statistical technique to detect temporary shading and faults on the direct current side of photovoltaic plants. Her algorithms and techniques mitigate energy loss, system shutdown, and severe safety breaches. Professor Moraga has recently worked on the assessment of the severity and case fatality rates of COVID-19. Understanding the determinants of its variation is essential so we can respond to and plan for the necessary health resources required to address the pandemic. Moraga has observed that differences by age and gender are fundamental underpinnings to informing decision-making. Professor Huzer's research group have recently built complex statistical models to describe the multiple occurrences of landslides over space and time for a region in Italy. Their approach improves the prediction of landslide susceptibility and landslide hazard, which could potentially be used by authorities to stabilize slopes at risk, thereby also protecting villages nearby. From environmental science to renewable energies, neuroscience to epidemiology, statisticians at KAUST explain complex spatiotemporal phenomena. Their ability to manage large data sets to find the most efficient method of analysis is cutting edge. Data experts are showing practical solutions and hands-on experiences and contribute to delivering more accurate data for evidence-based policymaking and address immediate global needs and challenges to improve people's lives. Statistics advances sustainable development for all.